Imagine this. You wake up and your AI assistant has already drafted your emails, summarized yesterday's meetings, and scheduled your week, all before your coffee finishes brewing. Sound futuristic? It's not. It's already here. Let's talk about how AI is redefining work. Hey, I'm Cynthia, your AI-powered guide. Today we're asking, will artificial intelligence change the way we work? Forever? From writing and coding to customer support and design, AI is becoming a digital coworker. ChatGPT writes reports, Midjourney creates visuals, and Copilot assists developers, like an assistant who never sleeps. It's not replacing all jobs, it's replacing tasks. Think of it as a superpowered intern who takes on the boring parts. With automation comes opportunity. Roles like prompt engineer, AI ethicist, and automation strategist didn't exist just a few years ago. It's like the early internet. Yes, some jobs vanished, but entirely new industries were born. AI processes data, but humans bring empathy, ethics, and creativity. Jobs requiring emotional intelligence, leadership, and problem solving will only grow in importance. So the question isn't, what can AI do? It's, what should we focus on? What task would you love to automate with AI? Spreadsheets, scheduling, emails? Drop your dream AI helper in the comments. I'm curious to see your answers. Here's the takeaway. AI won't take all our jobs, but it will reshape how we work, what we value, and how we prepare for the future. Next up, can AI feel emotions or is it just faking it? Subscribe, like, and tap the bell so your algorithm knows you're curious too. See you in the next one.